After spending a year in Sri Lanka, I've discovered the vibrant flavors of its cuisine and its deep connection to the land, history and community. Each dish tells a story, and living amongst locals, attending traditional festivals and sharing meals with families has enriched my appreciation of the culinary art. This immense experience has allowed me not just to learn about the food itself, but about the cultural significance behind each meal. I hope my experience can be passed on to you. Please enjoy. Pol Sambol is not just a condiment, it's a celebration of Sri Lankan flavors. This vibrant mixture of grated coconut, by the way, Pol means coconut, finely chopped onions, a nice amount of dried chili flakes in there to give it a nice kick, is a must try for anyone looking to spice up their meal. With a touch of salt and a splash of lime, and if you want, you could add fresh chilies. I like that. This is a must have for every Sri Lankan meal. Variations, and some people say is an absolute must, is Maldives fish. This is a chipped, dried fish, which is very, very salty and absolutely delicious. Whether you choose to pair this with rice, roti, or even grilled meats, Pol Sambol is sure to steal the spotlight on your plate. Embrace this delicious tradition and let your taste buds explore the island's culinary treasure. Let's make some Pol Sambol. So of course we're going to need some grated coconut. I'm really lucky. While I'm in Sri Lanka, it's everywhere. There's machines that they sell. You can just buy the coconut, they'll grate it for you. Simple. Some people have a kind of machine at home that can do it as well. Now I'm not going to be giving you exact measurements for this today because it's all about getting it just how you want, but you are going to need the coconut, onions, chili, fresh chili, lime juice and salt. You can really muck around with this. Now the version that I'm doing does not have the Maldives fish in it. I will be doing a version of that, but this one is really suitable for vegans and vegetarians. It's all about getting the amounts that you like, getting it into a grinder or like a mortise like I have here, and we're gonna just pound it and pound it and pound it. The more you pound it, the better it's gonna be. Now some people do this traditionally, but they'll have a big stone, a big flat stone with a kind of another round stone that they rub up and down on it. I really wish I had one of those, but I don't. But I'm just using this here. You could do it in a machine. I've never actually done it in a machine, but I'm sure you could do it. But yeah, play around, get it how you want. I like quite a bit of chili. Some people actually like loads more chili, equal amounts to the coconut. Up to you. Pound, play around, get it right. This stuff is absolutely delicious. It's one of the most wonderful things ever. And it is, for me, the champion of all things in Sri Lanka. Delicious.